Today we are going to learn about something called photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? When we first look at the word, we can see that the word photosynthesis can be separated into two different words. The first word is photo, which means light, and the second word is synthesis, which means putting together through a chemical process or reaction. Just like humans, plants need food. But unlike humans and animals, plants can produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis. For plants to create their own food, they need three things. One is sunlight, two is water, and the third is carbon dioxide. Let's take a look at how these are collected by plants. Carbon dioxide from the air passes through small pores or holes in the leaves. These pores are called the stomata. Water is absorbed by the roots and passes through vessels in the stem on its way to the leaves. Sunlight is absorbed by a green chemical in the leaves. The photosynthesis process takes place in the leaves of the plants. The leaves are made up of very small cells. Inside these cells are tiny structures called chloroplast. Each chloroplast contains a green chemical called chlorophyll, which gives leaves their green color. The food that plants make is called glucose. Some of the glucose is used to provide energy for the growth of plants, while the rest is stored in the leaves, roots, or fruit for later use. In addition to glucose, plants also produce oxygen. Oxygen that is produced during photosynthesis is released into the atmosphere. This oxygen is what we breathe, and we cannot live without it. To recap, plants feed themselves through a process called photosynthesis. We learned that plants use carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water to fulfill the photosynthesis process. An interesting fact that we included is that the plants produce the oxygen that we breathe. I hope you enjoyed this video on photosynthesis. Thank you.